everybody, Cheesehead here, and I recently just opened Shopkins Season 2 So Cool Fridge, and it says it can fit 25 Shopkins inside, and my video suddenly stopped in the middle of it, and so I came back with the part 2. I left off on 23, and so this popsicle right here is 24. We were counting how many Shopkins we could fit in. It only said 25. I do not believe that. So we are at 24 right now. Let's keep on doing this. If you missed part 1, I'm going to call it. You might want to search that. So that's 25. That's the number that we're expected to do. But yeah, we can fit 26. 20. Candy Castle's goat. 27. 28. 28. 29. And we got 30. A 30. 31. 32. And 33. We don't want to go all the way to the edge because I want to be able to close my refrigerator. And I was able to do that. Now, so we left off 33. Now let's go. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. So we were able to get 11 more Shopkins in there. Yeah. So we got 44. 45. 46. 47. Excuse me for a second. So, 47. 48. 49. 50. Wow. We fit double the amount we were expected to fit in this fridge. But I'm not done. Wait, yes I am. So 50 is our final amount today. Or, as some people would like to call it, 51. Now, let's do stickers. Uno momento. If you speak Spanish. Yeah. Hi. Get out of there, sticky. Stickers. Stick. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm getting it. I'm getting them. Yeah! Hiya. Oh, Biden. Did it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Now, I have the 2 shopping bags that come with this. And I have these stickers that I will show you as soon as I get them out of their baggies. I will decorate the fridge, but I probably will not get to finish them in this video. So I will have to make a part 3 for this. I will just have to, of me decorating this fridge. I will just have to. You cannot miss it. But I will at least show you the stickers. Upside down. They are super cute. And these little mini Shopkin eggs. In the first video, I introduced that they came with the Shopkins fridge. But you didn't really get to look at them very much. So they're on this first sticker sheet. There are 6 mini Shopkins, they're called. And I'll show you them when I do my decorating the fridge video. So, bye. That will be part 3.